So I want to transplant my little avocado that are on my compost pile. So if I have enough soil, I'm going to do that now. So that's done. I destroy one, so it's better to have 4. In the end I have only 3, but maybe it will grow again. I will put it back. But I cut it from its root. So I'm gonna leave those pots here because now it's kind of mild weather, and as soon as it starts to get cooler at night or even cold, I will put them inside, but might as well leave them here in the sun. I will leave them near the compost pile because they were happy in the compost pile, so I guess the sun and shade pattern was okay for them, and we'll see how it goes. Doesn't hurt anyway. All done. I'm leaving them here because they were here anyway, so must be good for them. And I put it back, this one that I broke. Anyway, I'm like throwing my avocado in here anyway. I'm guessing I'm gonna have a lot.